Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Here we go for the closing bell here on Monday, June the 6th. Let's see what day we're in for this afternoon. Everything you see here is real, genuine, live. This is my real positions, my real money. We're joined by angel investors every day. We're joined by secret millionaires here to help people. Everything you see here is real and genuine. Let's get straight into the trades. We give away cash prizes most days as well. We love to help people. It's what we enjoy doing. 20 days from now, 17 hours, 29 minutes will be 1 year old. This channel is coming up to 1 year old. Fantastic. All right, let's go into the trades and see where we are this afternoon. Here's who's going to be first. Queen of Self-Braiding is here first and in the main show. We've had Dexter Sickles, Mike here before the show started. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Let's get straight and have a look. Right, look, the Vanguard S&P is up 0.23. Virgin Galactic is up 1% today. Up and down. Day trader's dream this is if you want to play this game. All in, all out, all in, all out, all day long. It's a way to make a lot of money if you want to play that game. Same with Tesla today. It's very much day trading at the moment. Is he muted? Am I muted? I don't think so. Do I sound muted to everybody? I don't think I'm muted. I think I sound all right. Have I got audio coming through? Let me know. Let me double check. You got me thinking now. I think I sound all right. No, we're all good, I think. Through. Let me double check. You got me Seem to be now. Good. I think I sound all right. No, we're all good, I think. Through. Yep. Double checked and tested. Maybe the Queen has got me muted on her device. I don't know. Morning, family. Morning, good afternoon. How are you? Muted. I don't understand what you're saying. Muted. It's coming out fine. You've either got your channel, your computer muted, or your speakers turned off, or the power's gone, or the cat chewed the cable. I don't know. Am I muted? Can everybody else hear me? Computer muted, or you? No, I'm live everywhere. What's going on? Why do you insist on me being muted? Right, okay, let's have a look. Lucid is up 2%. I hear you. There you go. I knew it was working. I don't know. This Queen of Self-Braiding's giving me a hard time here. Arrival down 1.16. It's been a yucky day, really, isn't it? Not been that exciting. Hi, Market. Where are you? Where are you this time? Where are you? You're talking. Are you drinking this afternoon? Queen of Self-Braiding. I don't know what's going on here. Can you hear me now? At home, fully clothed. Oh right, good. I'm glad to hear that. Apple is slightly up now. Robinhood. It's been a real crazy day, this, isn't it? Day trader's dream if you want to play it, but right now I'm not really getting involved in all of this. I'm standing by and watching the nonsense. Johnson & Johnson is up today, 0.37. The big story of the day, of course, is Amazon. Stock split today. You can buy a share of Amazon now for $125. Can you hear me yet, Queen? Are we all good yet? I want to make sure that you can hear me all right. Amazon is up today, 2.5. It's up really as much as I thought it would be. So I'm quite happy with that. Google up 2.42. Microsoft is down very slightly. Nvidia is up 0.3. Meta is had a good day, 2%. SoFi down 1.72. I'm down 4% now on SoFi. Really surprised Amazon held up so well today. The selling pressure will be violent on Amazon this week. I'm not surprised. I know what you're saying, where you're looking at it, but I think, so many people use Amazon, they feel it's like a staple. Something they can rely on. Here he is, CMV Studio. You asked me to call you, Tom. I called you back, and you never answered the phone. What's going on? It's like weird that today I got Tom coming in the show. He asked me to phone him, he never answers. The Queen of Self-Braiding comes on and says, you're muted, and I go, oh, no, I'm not. Yeah, and I don't know what's going on. It's a magic old world today. Over there on TikTok, how are you this afternoon? Come and join us here on YouTube. And I returned that call and you didn't answer. Wow. It's a mystery. I didn't get that return call. Do you know what? I'm finding all sorts of issues at the moment today with tech. I set up an app today that Peru asked me to get. Can't make it work. The app won't log in. No matter what I do. Can't get it to work. Walmart's down 0.4% today. Target is down 1.2%. It's really frustrating at the moment in the markets. You can't really, you get into something and the moment you get into it, it just drops again. It's really hard at the moment. It takes a lot to keep the enthusiasm going, doesn't it? Such a crowded trade. People have been buying Amazon hand over fist for the last 2 weeks, right for a squeeze on the long positions. Nicholas Morello, hi all. How are you, Nicholas? Lovely to see you this afternoon. On Semiconductor is up. I'm up 17% now. Buy the dip. The ones I haven't bought much of have gone up the least. I've gone up the most. That's what I meant to say. Tilray Brands. Oh, damn. Look at this. How's Tilray Brands down again? 5.6. Down 8% again now. You can't just keep buying dips after dips, can you? Yo, 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 here he is, Paul B. We thought Tilray Brands was going to get it through Parliament, get it through the Senate. I don't know what's going on there now. It just keeps going worse. No matter how, I can't buy any more of it. Ginkgo Bioworks, down nearly 4% today. Open Door, down 3.71%. In Phase Energy, this is the solar panels, looking pretty good. You did remember to feed the hamster that runs your internet. Yes, I did. Thank you very much, Tom. CMV is down 1.56. Bitcoin is up 0.31 BTC and Ethereum is down 1.2. It's not an exciting show today. I'd like to bring you exciting news, but it really isn't. It's a good day trader's day if you want to trade this in and out, but it's not really what I'm looking to do right now. I'm waiting for things to go much lower to buy in. Buying in these little dips is very risky because the moment you buy in, it goes lower or it pops up a bit and then back down. It's not worth trying to time the market, I don't think, at the moment. It's very difficult at the minute. It's a bit frustrating. What's your thoughts on the Boris vote in the UK? I don't know. MNTS is doing better. Let's have a look. MNTS. Boris Johnson. It's not good, is it? When you're asking the country to do one thing and you're doing something else, I don't know. People don't like that sort of thing. It's the same way on here. When people say to me, what would you invest in? It has to be something that I've actually invested in, right? Can't just make up stuff. Life doesn't work that way. Momentous. I used to be in this one. Engages in the provision of off-air in-space infrastructure services, offers space transposition and in-orbit servicing. Interesting one. Momentous. It's up recently, after recent weeks. It was down 77%. It's now down 64%. So it's gained 10% since February. So not a lot of growth since February, really. But it is moving in the right direction, though. Oh, beg your pardon. That's up 68% in the last 3 months. Ignore what I just said there. MPs who vote for Boris are signing their own political death sentence in the election. The Conservatives will get absolutely battered. Yeah, it's not done any good, is it? Mike Wilson, the head of equity and strategies at Morgan Stanley, says the bear market rally will last a little longer, but sees a bottom in August with S&P at 3,400. Much more pain ahead. One of the few big banks acknowledging the truth. There you go. Yeah, a lot of the banks don't say that, do they? But like you say, there's so much manipulation. You can't believe anyone. It's why I just follow my own path. You know, it's really really hard right now to know what to invest in. You buy something, you think you can trade it, and it goes down straight away. It's difficult right now. I mean, you think, okay, I'll sit on the sidelines and do nothing. Here he is Peru. I couldn't get that app to work, Peru. I went to create an account on the app, and I put in your name, your handle, Peru King, and it wouldn't work. So I used the web browser. That worked. I've got an account, but now the app won't let me sign in. It's a very glitchy app. Try online one. Yeah, but I like everything to work properly as it should. I don't feel confident sending money around on an app that doesn't work. You sent me something, did you? The online version. What was it called again? Cash Hand. Hand Cash. I set it up online, but it's kind of like weird that it doesn't work everywhere. I'm logging in again on the computer. Sign up, sign in. Let's see if I can log in on my computer now. I'm just signing into this Hand Cash. It's a new app that Peru wants us to have a look at. So I've been testing it and trying it out. Okay. But I'm unable to use the app. Dow Jones turns negative for the day. Erase all gains for the day. Nasdaq about to turn negative. Ay, ay, ay. It's getting worse and worse and worse, right? It's hard, isn't it? My job is to keep everybody positive. Bring you the truth, but keep everybody positive and focused. It's difficult right now. Let's have a look. Oh, right. Your balance. Oh, yeah. King Peru. #1 YouTuber. Yeah. There you go. I have 0.01 cent. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. There's my account. This is what we're talking about. This is Hand Cash. But I'm at the moment I can't get the app to work, and I want to get to the bottom of it before I recommend it or promote it or tell anybody more about it. To be honest, I mean, we're all fed up with more apps, right? Wait there for 1 minute. Oh, hello. Wait there for 1 minute. We got Peru on the case here. We've got Peru doing his thing. See, this is what you see. Look, this is what you see on the app. It says sign in or sign up or sign in. Well, I've got an account. You can see it. So if I try and sign in, who invited you? If I put King Peru, he doesn't appear. And then if I do it later, create a handle. You can't sign in. You can't sign in. And if I put my handle in there, it said it's not available because I'm already in. Do you see what I mean? You can't. The app doesn't work. Let's have a look. Refresh it. Let's see how good this is. Oh, there we go. Speed. That is quick. That is quick. I've got $5 in my account now. Let me share everybody that one. But hold fire, everybody, for the minute until we work out what the app's doing, because it should work. I don't think it's. I mean, we've got so many apps right now. I only want to recommend or use an app that and everything that works. So there we go. It's on the BSV network. It's instant. There's no fees. There's no charges. It works on the on a great network, but the app's not working until I work out why. Thank you very much for the tip, by the way, Peru. Thanks for the tip. I'm presuming I can send that. Send money. I'm presuming I can't send it to my wallet, right? You send it. It's like Cash App. You send it to each. You send it to each other. I guess. It's a working app. I used to have their app. Now I use online one. It's a working app. What? Work in progress, or it's? I mean, it's not working, Peru. There's no help on it. There's no way you can reset it or anything. You can withdraw that to your Robinhood. How do you do that? Send money. I'm having a look now. Just handles. Add money. BSV address. Legacy method. Ah. Okay. Deposit BSV directly into your account. Anyway, we'll come back to that. Thank you very much, Peru. I need to get more of an understanding of it. At the moment, the app's not working, so I need to get a fully understanding of that. Eastern Eager, how are you this afternoon? Lovely, lovely, lovely. How are you? Good stuff. Momentous. We just looked at that this morning. Looked at that a few moments ago. It's doing pretty well. 8% today. Shot up. Very, very nice indeed. Peru, I'll look into it, and when it's all up and running, maybe I'll restart my phone and try and log in again. But you can't log in on the phone. It only lets you set up an account. Anyway. Have you managed to set up an account on the phone? Can you log in? So we're up today, 0.65. Had a bit of a rebound. Virgin Galactic is up and down today. Great day trading opportunities for everybody, but nothing great to shout about at the moment. Tesla is up 1.55. Rivian is down today, 4.26. Oh, I want to get some more Rivian. We're getting close to my 27.33. I'm still up 6% though. Hey, I'm not gonna do it yet. Lucid. Arrival. Got plenty of Arrival now. Amazon held up today. Market profits quite surprised. Apple. 145. There is an app in the iStore. There is an app. Yeah, I know. I've got it. Peru. I've got the app. This is the app. Let me show you what happens. I've got the app. The app doesn't work though. Look. Hand cash. Click on it. Sign up. If I go and sign up, obviously, and add my handle, it won't let me do it. It's not available. So you can't sign up. If I sign in, who invited you? And if I put King Peru, your name, it doesn't recognize it. See? Doesn't recognize your name, but it did it online. So that's the first thing. So you skip that and you go, all right, do it later. And it says create a handle. It does not let. Just say do it later. I've tried that. As you saw me just do it then. And now there's nowhere to go. There's no buttons. There's no back buttons. There's nothing on the screen. Close it again. Open it again. Sign in. Do it later. There you go. Create your handle. I've already got one. I'd have to create another one. It just wants me to create another account. I don't want to create another account. So, bit frustrating. The app doesn't work very well. So many of these wallets are a scam. Just a heads up. Well, I'm not going to declare anything's a scam. All I'm trying to do is be honest and open and test it, and it doesn't work. The app doesn't work. I don't know. I'll restart my phone. But anyway, there we go. I've set up the crazy thing is I actually set up the account on the app. I just can't sign into it, which is a worry. I can sign in on the computer, but not in on the app, which is weird because I created it on the app. Strange. It works for me. Let me see mine again. I've also deleted the app. The online works, yeah. The thing is, though, for me to be able to say to people, use it, it's got to work properly everywhere. I can't say use it if it doesn't work. I can't do that. Yeah, your PSV will be stolen by a moon alien. Big selling pressure coming in. Nasdaq and S&P turn negative. Here we go. Peru's coming. Market profit is coming in again now. Let me have a look. Let me show you what's going on. Yeah, we're about to turn red. We've been green all day. We had a nice morning, really healthy, 2.5%, and now we're going green again. Red again. We're still red. We're still green at the moment, but we're touching the line. Yeah, it's difficult. Rivian is going down 4.8% today. Still going down. See, what I'm doing now is I'm not doing what some of you are doing. Rob Brennan was trading this morning. I'm not doing that. I've held my positions, and I'm either going to enjoy. I've got enough invested at low enough prices, at the best prices, good stocks, good companies. I own them. I own the shares, so on. I'm waiting for everything to bounce up, get 30% up, then I'll start selling some stuff and then reinvesting in different things. But right now, not looking to trade anything. And I'm also preparing, because market profit, may have a point. Half the market feels it's going to go down. Half the market feels we've already hit bottom. But I'm also waiting on the other side of things. I'm waiting for things to go down 20, 30% and then start buying more and adding to the position. Just adding to where I am. Dollar cost averaging. I don't need to sell everything out. I don't take market's opinion where sell everything wherever you can and just sit on the sidelines. If you were going to do that, you should have done that 3 months ago. But for now, I'm just waiting for the markets to adjust. Right. Unbelievable. Do people do this on purpose? Unreal. We got 20 plus with people watching and 6 likes. Right. You got to pay a ticket to watch this show. You got to pay a ticket, right? And the ticket you got to pay is smash the like button. All right. Smash the like button. We got 6 likes. You ready? Here comes the music. 1 minute from now, we need at least 15 likes. You ready? All right. Here we go. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. Hey, real Satoshi please stand up. Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. There we go. That's working everybody up. They think, oh my God, if I press the like button, will he stop singing? All right. Well, you've got to smash the like button, and I might consider it. Over on TikTok, how you doing this afternoon? All right, welcome. Smash the like button. There you go. Bit low on likes today, but never mind. I think everyone's broken their like buttons. They've smashed them. That's the trouble, you see. Everyone says smash your like button until it breaks. Oh, hello. I just popped in to say hello. Right. Are we going to have a red or green day? How's your sub count? Sub count is not too bad. We're moving up. Oops, hello. We're all over the place. All right. He will never stop singing. He is the world piano man. There you go. 195 countries. I've got the T-shirts to prove it. The T-shirts and the photographs. More importantly, I've got fridge magnets. I've got a hell of a collection of fridge magnets. You've never seen anything like it. Fridge magnets, I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Get your fridge magnets. I've got them from everywhere. Right. Okay. Vanguard S&P is up 0.15. We're going to have a green day today. What do you reckon? Is it going to stay green? Market profit records is about to collapse. Now that we need to see. What, my fridge magnet collection? All right. I shall get a photograph of my fridge magnets. I've got a set in America and a set in the UK. Guess where they are? They're on the fridge. Rob Brennan, I've gone from 5,800 to 9,100 on SPCE on margin. Risks pays off for once. There you go. Wow. I've gone from 5,800 to 9,100 on space. Swing trades today. Flipping heck. That's the way to do it, right? That's the way to do it. Swing trading. Look at it. It's been perfect. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell it. I'm all day long, right? He's been doing it all day. Look how he's upped his amount. Look, absolutely awesome. Using margin, you know, awesome. Market profit. I can literally say you have a small amount of knowledge when it comes to crypto scam. Is something crypto scam is something is scam. I sleep, eat, and ride blockchain since 2014. I used Hand Cash App many times. I've used Cash App many times. I've used loads of the apps. I've never had an issue. I'm just saying today the app's not working. That's all I'm saying. I do my research before I say something. I know you do. Mike 1668. So 3,300 profit, close to 60% in one day. If only I could do that every day. Hey, yeah. If you could do that every day, right? You'd be doing all right. We are 0.34 from turning negative today. Are we going to hold up? I don't know. You tell me. Let's look at GGPI. Has that done anything today? Let's have a look. Gores Guggenheim. I know. Gores. Oh, there we go. Gores Guggenheim. Now, if I wanted to, I could put $1,000 back in the bank. I've made $1.59. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's the amazing man that needs no introduction. The Captain Fantastic, Martyn Lucas. Here he is. Sam on his anniversary. We did an anniversary song for Sam the other day. I hope he clipped it, put it on his YouTube channel, made the most of it. You had the blah blah blah. You had the copyright for it, so there you go. It's all there for you. And here we go. Let's hear from a few of our traders. Let's hear from Sam, shall we? Mr. Elton John in the house.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was.
No, you're not.
His name is Martyn Lucas.
Yeah.
Follow him. He is the day trader.
I do like that. That does make me laugh. I think if you have issues, it's like your bank account. It could be hacked, but it's just one of them things. It won't happen to you often at all. The crypto wallets I use especially. I feel safe. I do. You know. I mean, at the end of the day, if you choose to think that everything is there to steal from you, then you shouldn't even turn your computer on. You shouldn't even go on your mobile phone. I mean, it's just where's it going to end? I don't know. You've got to decide. When do we think the Polestar merger's going through? I thought that was supposed to happen this month. Any news on that? I've not seen any updates on the Polestar, which is what Gores Guggenheim is. It's going to merge into Polestar. So, waiting to see what's going to happen there. Nothing yet. June 22nd is a key date, I believe. June 16th, according to Market Profit, is the key date. Any time between the 1st and the 16th is when everything's going to crash to the crashes of crashes. Apparently, you're saying June 22nd. I mean, we can go on forever like this. If we're going to start picking dates and go on forever, then any news on Amazon split? Yes, it went exactly as planned, Tom. There it is. Amazon split, fantastic. I've got 28.68 shares. It actually kept me up all night. It's why I'm tired today. I'm not as sparkly as I normally am. Because late last night, I checked my account and I was down $3,000. And with Robinhood, you have 24/7 phone support. You can call them up 24 hours a day. And I called them up and I went, "Oi, Vlad Tenev, where's my $3,000? I was down $3,000, and you can't be $3,000 unless you've got crypto that's down $3,000, because at that time of night, nothing's trading, and it was Sunday, and there was no way anything, whatever. So I couldn't have been $3,000 down. Impossible. I didn't have $3,000 in crypto in the first place if it'd gone to zero. So I knew something was wrong. And of course, when the charts aren't updating, it won't tell you on the individual stock what's going on. And what it done, because the stock split was going through the system, it said I was down something like 360,000%. I was down from $3,500, which is my market value, down to 124 because it hadn't gone through. So I didn't see that. All I saw was the fact I was down. So I called them up and they said, yeah, we're experiencing this problem with Amazon being a stock split. So now we know. If a stock split happens, if you want to call your broker up and get them on the phone, you can. If you're concerned, your account's been hacked. But to be fair, if it's been hacked, the money's gone. It's gone, right? So they're not going to get it back. They're not going to get it back straight away anyway. But next time, when Tesla do that, and there's a few others that are thinking of doing the same thing. Google's looking at stock splitting again. When that happens next time, I won't be jumping on the phone. So it kept me up all night. Anyway, you're still sparkly in all your natural beauty. Well, there you go. What can I say, Sam? I do my best. June 22nd is mentioned everywhere when searching about the merger. Well, that's not long ago. That's not long to go. June 22nd. So GGPI. Who's getting involved with this one? This one then. You can't lose money on this in a SPAC. That's this price. Once it pops up above 10, you can. It can go back down again. But once it's around the 10, you're pretty much guaranteed you get your money back. So it's a good time to get in. And we shall see. YouTube's telling people to invest in SHIB, telling it's going to YouTubers. I'm not telling anybody that. To invest in SHIB, telling it's going to $1. It will not. It's not going to happen. Shiba never hit $1 at this current supply. My name is Peru, and I approve this message. I love the way Americans do that. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I approve this message. Yeah. Whatever I say, I approve. I wouldn't be saying it otherwise, would I? Everything I'm saying, I don't approve of any of it. I'm just rambling. I don't know why I'm even saying it. Does anyone even care? No, of course not. I always approve what I'm saying. I wouldn't be saying it otherwise. Anyway, I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So these YouTubers are telling people that. Good for them. Yeah, I ain't doing it. Virgin Galactic is up again. Moving again. Here we go again. Dogecoin to $5. Why not say Dogecoin to $1 million? Does anyone believe it anymore? All right. We've got some information that we're still looking into. Peru, what was the latest information about the Michael Saylor MicroStrategy's crypto wallet selling Millions of Bitcoin. What's going on there? Did we get any more information on that? I was looking all through Twitter. A lot of drama there with Bitcoin being sold by Michael Saylor. Martin, any idea why VORB is down today? 20% today. Concerned it might affect space. Yeah, of course, Virgin Orbit. Should we have a quick look at it? Let's have a look. Whoa, down 20%. Now that's interesting. That's interesting. Now, if you're a Virgin Galactic fan, you might think that's not bad. All right, look at this. Born is down plenty. It's a buy. Born, you mean Vorb? Do you mean? Vorb, yeah, look at that. May 13th, 2021. Interesting. I wouldn't mind being in this because Yeah. Hundred. I suspect there must be some news, but I don't know what's going on. It's all about all-time low. Now's a good time to buy, and also Astra is a good buy. Wonder what that is. Running at 6, running at 10. What do we think? Let's have a quick vote on this. I like it. I'm trying to think. Anybody got any thoughts on this? It would be good to bring the two together, especially when I get to when I go to the space station. I want to go to the space station in England and bring these two companies together. I'm thinking, what's the analysis of it? August 10th. I couldn't find any reason why it's down. Analysis rate Vorb is a strong buy with a price target of 14. This is interesting. Yeah. I was always interested in it, but it's been here before, though. Look. May 11th. It was here a month ago. It's a bit lower than it was a month. This looks like the Virgin Galactic chart. Pops up on some sort of news. What's the 52-week low? 341. The Euro S-Stock is a 5 zones designed to stocks. It's up to 1.42. I'm looking at this now. The average volume is very low, though. That's half the problem. There's no volatility in it. What was its earnings? Amazon lower the day, plummeting into close. Shares 300. Down 20%. I'm looking at it thinking, would I, if I bought this now, if I bought 300 shares, would I then buy more, or would I be expecting it to go lower? If we look at it over the last month, it's basically gone back to where it was. It's never gone lower than that. It's gone a bit lower, but Virgin Orbit is down 14.16%. No, it's down 20% today. Sam, what's everybody's thoughts on this? I mean, it's not going to help Virgin Galactic's case. If you believe in one, you don't necessarily believe in the other. It's a really efficient way of putting rockets into space, using planes, and then they fire them off underneath. It's a very different way of doing it. Right. I've just bought 300 shares. I'm looking at Amazon. One mistake and the plane goes up to space with the rocket. I love it. Paul B. One mistake and the plane goes up to space. Yeah, you don't want to make that mistake, do you? It was up 5%, but look now how it's changed dramatically. I think if you're looking at Vorb, Astrospace will put satellite into space a lot cheaper. Yeah, but I am a big Virgin fan. I bought 300. I like the fact the spaceport as well. I want to encompass it with what I'm planning on doing. I think you should have it needs to have a smaller percentage of my portfolio than Virgin Galactic. But started the morning with a decent candle. I need to do some more research, but I feel quite confident that I'm not going to lose very much on this. I don't suddenly see it going to $2, but then I don't know. Me too. I own 800 shares of Space. Yeah, I think Space should be a bigger part of your portfolio. I think if you're looking at VORB, yeah, me too. I am down I too own 1,800 shares of Space at 1065. Are you looking at a chart? Yeah, get out of it. Get out of it. I'm wondering if I buy a bit of VORB and then hold until the next launch. Not going to put in much though. That's what I just did. I bought 300 shares. I haven't bought 1,000 or 1,100 like I have with Virgin Galactic. With Virgin Orbit already down 20%, could the luster of new listings be losing its appeal? The luster of new listings be losing its appeal? We're looking at the volume. We're looking at the candles. I'm getting some idea of. I need to research. I need to get some more research. But it's why I'm planning on going to the spaceport. And I like the fact that now I'm down 0.73 at the minute. That's why I didn't go all in, all guns blazing. The luster is long gone. Now just rusty, beat-up, worthless IPOs. That's a good way of putting it, isn't it? Gores Guggenheim. It's moving up. Virgin Orbit. All right. Well, it looks like we have to add Virgin Orbit to our list. So now we're going to be watching Virgin Galactic and, a completely different position. Completely different. I mean, this is 17% of my portfolio. VORB is 2.7. Strange seeing VORB down 20% and SP and Spiral Global up 10%. Yeah, we need to find out why. We need to find out why. So I'm doing some digging. Let's have a little look, see what's going on. There's a quote here from Stockwitz. I do use this so you can sort of see what's trending and see what's going on. It says, I told you all months ago not to buy this stock. My puts have made me a lot of money. Soon VORB will dilute. Just as I said months ago, I feel sorry for the idiots who bought... nice language. For the idiots who bought this without doing any research. This company is basically broke. This will tank back down once you clowns know what you own. All these new idiots following the hype don't even know what this business is. They are losing money. Well, I know exactly what VORB is. Let's have a look. I mean, the thing is, anyone can talk on Twitter and Stockwitz or anywhere else. You don't know who these people are. Anyone can say anything, sound like they know what they're talking about. It requires a lot more research. Sam has just posted this. Where'd you get this information from? The company have said this, have they? That dude clearly has no idea what he's talking about. Yeah, I mean, that's it. You don't, people. You could have literally a moron saying anything, and it makes headlines. You need to do a lot more research than just that. That's why I plan to go to the space station in New Mexico in person and do a live video interview. Who wants to follow me there and be part of the journey? And also in the UK. Two things I want to do. In person, speak to people actually at the factory, actually at the spaceports, doing what they need to be doing. I have this Keep Young Forever stock, and that has been pooping up with no news, ticker, age. Not sure I fully understand that one. Okay, Investor Observer. Let me have a little look here. Let's have a little read here. Is Virgin Orbit Holdings, VORB, a good choice in aerospace and defence? Virgin Holdings is around the top of the aerospace and defence industry according to Investor Observer. VORB received an overall rating of 60, which means that it scores higher than 60% of all stocks. Virgin Orbit Holdings Incorporated also achieved a score of 76 in the aerospace and defence industry, putting it above 76% of aerospace stocks. Aerospace and defence is ranked 79 out of 148 industries. VORB has an overall score of 60. Find out what this means to you and get the rest of the rankings on VORB. What do these ratings mean? Right, let's look into this. Virgin Orbit. Stock is trading at $4 as of 2:37 p.m. on Monday at a loss of 0.9, 18% from the previous closing of $4.95. The stock has traded between $4.03 and $5.34 so far today. Volume today is more active than usual. So far, 638,265 shares have traded compared to an average of 281. So volume is up today. Volume is up. Volume is a good thing, unless it's being memed and promoted on Reddit. Then it's not so good. Boris result due out shortly. Oh, keep me up to date with that. Keep me up to date with that. Right, my overall portfolio is coming up. I'm up 0.7. Hey, we got Paddy and we got Paddy here. I will do some more research on Virgin Orbit. Down 1% since I've started buying it. It's why I didn't go all in. Because the idea is, if I allowed myself an investment of 2,000, 3,000, something like that, I would just buy it if it keeps going down every 5 to 10%. If I do some more research and like more of it, all right. We're moving up now. We're making money on GGPI, Virgin Orbit. The overall portfolio is up now, 0.71. I'm all right, Paddy. How are you today? Virgin Galactic's going up. Bought some Amazon here. All right. Up today on the stock split. I knew it would go up. I'm very happy with that. Done pretty well today despite everything. I'm still down 1.19 though. I bought it a long time ago. I don't want to buy any more. There's no dividends here, just growth. So I don't want to suddenly load up on it. Apple down 4% overall, but up 0.39 today. Robinhood down. Breaking news. Okay, here we go. This is from Market Profit. Just come in. Breaking news. SEC's Gensler expected to outline market structure reforms on Wednesday. This could have major implications on retail trading platforms like Robinhood. Is there any good news anywhere else? I'm the most optimistic person in the world here, and I'm struggling. I need some support. Can't keep having negative news. Is that all we live for now? I had such a wonderful weekend with the Queen. All good news, other than she's probably saying goodbye to the world. That's not good news, but, you know, let's have some flipping good news, shall we, people? Enough of this. Enough. Somebody have a little word with Vladimir Putin and tell him to say. Did everyone not think about that actually during the Jubilee? Did anyone sort of give that a 5-second thought that as we've got this wonderful thing going on with the Queen, really great, just a little bit towards the right, a little bit towards the east, you've got that going on. Isn't it awful? In one part of the world, we're having a great time, really happy and celebrating. In another part of the world, it's all down the toilet. Looks like Robinhood stock is reflecting the news headline. Yes, Robinhood is down, but only down 2.66. I'm okay with that. That's why I haven't gone bought more yet. We'll wait to see what the reaction is. I sent you a link by Discord. Thank you very much, Sam. What's that for? So what market profit is talking about? The SEC Gensler expected to outline market structure reforms on Wednesday. This could have major implications on retail trading platforms. Are you talking about the buy to order flow? That's been debated for a long time because that could seriously affect Robinhood. You're right there. Bitcoin's up. Everybody get excited. Ethereum is down 0.79. BTC up 0.83. All right. What about BSV? BSV's down 1%. That's where I've been getting my info about Virgin Orbit. Ah, I see. I want to know where you're getting your information from. Yes, that's my guess, Martin. Right, yeah. Buy to order flow. That is one way that Robinhood make a bit of money because they don't charge on fees. If they change the way stocks are traded and how they operate with the market makers and how we all deal with it, that could be a serious problem for Robinhood. No question about it. It's why I'm currently just playing it quite safe. I've got some shares of Robinhood. I like. I mean, obviously, you know, I invest in what I like and what I use. It makes sense, right? And I'm only down 3%. Nothing massive. I've only got $490. Nothing massive. So the question is, do you buy if we go down dramatically? The trouble is, the only downside to it is how then does Robinhood make any money if the infrastructure of trading changes that much? That's the only thing. Doesn't matter how much I like it, how do they make money? Robinhood have to make money for my shares to go up. It's as simple as that. I have no way of seeing the three evils. Market, please stop. I'm not in my rainbow-coloured swing. Robinhood will be okay. 60% Coinbase users will move to Robinhood. Coinbase having lots of issues with the court this year. There you go. That'll be good. Total profits today, 3,400. Someone managed to do it without Wolf of Dubai's trading course. yeah. By the way, I have decided I'm going to do a trading course. I've always said I'd never do it, but I'm going to do it. Yeah, I'm going to have a trading course, and you can sign up for it. And it's actually it's a $50,000 valuation, right? But I have a coupon code. And it expires midnight tonight, and you can get it for $1. All right? But after midnight tonight, it's $50,000 for my training scheme, my training course, one-on-one. I come round your house. It's not even one-on-one. It's It's not even one-on-one, Zoom calls. It's one-on-one in person. And if you claim my special coupon code and you get it by midnight tonight, it's worth $50,000. But I'm doing a discount code, and if you cash it in today, you can buy it for $1. All right, so get it quick before it goes, before the voucher code expires. Virgin Orbit just popped up a little bit. The bell's gone. Ding, ding, ding. Coupon code is negative market profit. Coupon code. I tell you what, I have done so many conferences. By the way, I'm up on Virgin Orbit. I'm up $3. You will need food and shelter. Yeah, that's all I need. I come round your house, food and shelter, and $1. I choked on my drink when you said market scheme. You thought, oh my God, Martyn Lucas, he's gone to the dark side. He's going to be making up stuff. He's going to be promoting nonsense. He's going to be creating his own cryptocurrency, which doesn't even work. He's selling training programs. Oh my God. Martyn Lucas has become the worst of it all. He's brought all the channels together. It was all a Ponzi scheme. He built up the day trader. And just as we approach the 1-year birthday, he's selling training schemes. See, you thought this is a good channel. And yep, see, I sucked you in. And now you're sucked in, you'll just go for it, because that's what happens. When you're a total believer, you go, all right then, I don't care. I'm going to go for it. I believe every word you say. I'm in. Virgin Orbit's share price fall could be a cautionary tale. Will it go back up? That is the question. Oh, look at that. A bit of Shakespeare there coming in from Sam. There we go. Virgin Orbit. Let's all buy Virgin Orbit at 19% down. But I just need to put some context on it. It looks like a potential bargain. It does look like a potential bargain. But we were here a month ago. Need to be absolutely clear. Would you have bought it a month ago? It's a tiny, tiny, tiny little bit cheaper. It's $3.99. It was $4. Right? So we were here a month ago. So I was going to buy it, but it's not on eTORO. Oh, damn it. Ding, 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 the casino. Yeah, you're 2 minutes late, market profit. We ding, ding, dinged. We ding, ding, dinged about 2 minutes ago. The casino is closed. Boris is still in. What does that mean? They've had the vote. Let me have a look. I've got Sky News. I've got Sky News here. I paid money. I paid money. I paid good money for Sky News. Boris Johnson survives confidence vote and will continue as Prime Minister. Here we go. Look at this. You want to see it? I got it. I got the app. Look at this. Boris Johnson survives confidence vote and will continue as Prime Minister. Results expected at 9 p.m, which is now, as Tory MPs vote on Boris Johnson's future. There you go. Live. Breaking news. There we go. What was the vote? Prime Minister is now immune from another leadership challenge for 12 months under current rules. There you go. He survived. Phew. Now we can move on. To be Boris likes BSV. Oh God, everybody's got something to say here, haven't they? Boris Johnson likes BSV. Every cloud, 211 for him, 148 against. He's screwed. Yeah, it's not good, is it? I'm in on the training course for 99 cents. What do you think, Martin? Carlos Sanchez. I have my first customer. My first customer wants me to go round his house. He's going to provide food and shelter and $1, and I'm going to provide 1 hour of coaching. And he's going to sign up. He's going to sign up by midnight tonight. There you go. Other space companies listed in 2021, Astrospace and Spire Global, have all seen serious price falls. Having been burned 4 times this year, institutional investors may wait to buy in. There you go. Thank you, Sam. Sam is my... By the way, I need... Who would like to be my official researchers for the channel? Basically, I've got this plan to go to the spaceport in Cornwall, the spaceport in New Mexico in the US, and I have got, now I rank #1 for SPCE. I want to hold that. I want to do live interviews at the spaceports. I want to be serious. I want to be better than Yahoo Finance. I want to be better than Bloomberg. I want to be better than everybody. All right? So I need a research team because I need to make more videos, and I can't do all the research myself, and I can't, and some things I don't understand. Think of me like it's amazing, right? Some things I don't understand. Think of me as a news anchor. All right, I can't possibly know every stock, every share, every position, every crypto, obviously, right? So I need a script. I need links and scripts, like statements of fact. I need to trust my researchers, right? So I need like a headline, a couple of links that refer to the story to back it up with images or a website or whatever, and then what's happening to the crypto or the stock or whatever to drive the price up or drive it down, whatever, that I can make 8-minute videos. I need 8-minute videos on YouTube, and some of the big YouTubers, they have researchers, they have people that send in stuff, and they're reading like a news anchor. They're reading it. They're reading a script. They don't have to research and know everything. They're just going, today in the market, this is what's happening. Higher market profit for spread FUD. Been looking at Boris news all day, mate. Not spent too much time on crypto today. There you go. It's Boris Day today. Meet Martyn. There you go. Meet Martyn. Should I change the channel to Meet Martyn? Rather than Meet Kevin, we'll call it Meet Martyn. There you go. Right, what's to do in the after hours? Virgin Orbit, I'm up now 0.27. The overall portfolio, it's a green day. It's a green day. So just do everything he does, and we can have. Just do everything he does, and we can have a free team of researchers. The Reddit of space is actually quite good. The Reddit for space is actually quite good. Links to SEC filings, import events, and posted almost straight away. The Reddit for space. Okay, I'll look at that. GTLB beat earnings. Whoa, look at BNB. It's imploding. What's the pay? Well, I pay good money. I mean, I earn $2 a day from YouTube, so I can afford good money. You can imagine. Alert, BNB. All right, I'm on it. Let me get into it. BNB. I'll be part of the research. It's not on. BNB is not on. It's not on Robinhood, I'm afraid. Look, BNB right at the top. If I type it in, I can't see it. So there we go. Can't get BNB on Robinhood. But Peru, are you seeing this? BNB only down 3%. GTLB is pumping. In Binance. Oh, there we go. Okay. I hate BNB. They deserve it. Research team. No chitter chatter. Join now. Oh! Hello. Virgin Orbit. What, no pay? Just doing it for the glory? Yeah, what do you expect, Rob? BNB is kind of scat. Look at that, everybody. Guess who bought Virgin Orbit at the right time? Oh. Only 300 shares. That's enough. Don't get carried away. Easy $21. LOL. I'm not going to sell it though. No. No. How can I go to the space orbit? How can I go to the Virgin Orbit space station in Cornwall, in England? And they go, you got any shares in it? And I go, no. Well, you've flown all the way from America, and you want to interview us and take pictures and do videos and do live feeds of all your day traders, yeah, but you haven't got any shares in it. No, I don't really believe in it. I just thought it'd be a good idea. All right, okay then. See, can't be doing that. Can I take a commission for that? Yeah, whose idea was it? Whose idea was it that I should buy Virgin Orbit? Yeah, whose idea was it? Let me scroll up. Who mentioned Virgin Orbit? Who mentioned Virgin Orbit? Let's have a look. Who was it who said it? Virgin Orbit market. I want to see who takes credit for this. New rocket systems, Ukraine, US, going to be market. Please stop. I'm not. Looks like Rainbow, Bitcoin. I'm going to check. With Virgin Orbit already down 20%. Are you looking at the chat? Yes, it was Carlos. I think if you're looking at Vorb, here we go. Was it Carlos? Rob, it might. I suspect there might be some news about it. Oh, Rob Brennan. Yeah, it was Rob Brennan. I've gone up. Yeah, Rob Brennan said, Martin, any idea why Vorb is down 20% today? Concerned it might affect space. No, I'm not concerned it will affect space, but it won't help. It's not good news. But yeah, what's BNB? It's a crypto, isn't it? It's not one I'm actually in. It was Rob, yes. Whoever it was is a virgin. But mainly because I'm concerned about how much it has dropped. Yes. 'Twas me, Rob Brennan. Well, Rob Brennan, 'twas you have made me $21. I said to buy 100 shares. Yep, you did, and I ignored you and bought 300. So there you go. But mainly I was concerned by how much it had dropped. BNB down 3%. Is that what we're freaking out about? I'm not concerned when a crypto goes down 3% at all. It trades 24. All crypto trades 24/7, and 3% is nothing on a crypto at all. If you can't ride 3% swings in crypto, you shouldn't be in crypto at all. So market profit, what are you doing? What are you doing? Saying it's imploding, gone down 3%. That's nothing. Crypto does that all day long. Can I get a hat with your logo, buddy? Yes, you can. You can get all kinds of stuff. You want to have a look? You want to have a look at my shop? I'll show you. I'll show you. Look, hats. Scroll down. Hat. There you go. Look at this. Look, I've got every kind of thing you can imagine. Martyn Lucas hat, look. See that, look, with the logo on it? With the fleece on it? Any colour, any style, any design you want. I've got another hat as well. I did another hat. Scroll down, mugs. Where's the other hat? I did a really cool hat. I did 2 hats. Bring on the hats. There's another one, look. This one's cool, look. With Bitcoin on the top. Look at that one. See that, look? I've even signed it. It's got my name signed on it as well. See that, look? There you go. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. And you can even get it in different colours as well. So you can click on it and you can go, hang on a minute, I want it in black. And then when you click on it in black, it looks like that. See that, look? See? Quality stuff, quality merchandise. All sorts of stuff. Anyway. Boris survived the vote. He did. How's space doing after hours? Virgin Orbit. Let's have a look. Space is now it hasn't really affected space. Can I get the URL? Yeah, you can. Oh, by the way, Carlos, for an extra $4, I can put stuff with your name on it. You don't buy it and then say, can you put my name on it? I'll actually make it for you, and you have a whole range of stuff with your name on it. It's extra $4 if you want that, okay? You want the shop? I'll give you the shop. Here it is. You'll never guess what the website, what the name of the shop is. martynlucas.com/shop. You can guess all my domains. They are so well thought out, so well planned. There you go. There's the link. Okay. Make sure you go on the Day Trader shop. Okay. Not tempted to shave off a bit of Tesla if it fails to push up. No, not at all. Tesla's one for the future. Not worried at all. Should we have a little look? Oh, hang on a minute. We need to do Day Trader of the Day and run a commercial break. Didn't run a commercial break. Right, here for everybody is a quick ad. Skip it, come back. I'm not making any money here. Boo! All right, there's an ad for you. And Carlos, while you're there, you can actually get anything you like. T-shirts, fleeces, hats, mugs, beer mugs. I mean, you name it. We've got everything. We've got everything. Best shop in the world. Did you share Mull news with all? Yes, I did. I did. The Benziga, you mean? The Benziga announcement. It didn't do any good for the stock, though, did it? I've tried trading it several times. Just can't get any money out of it. There's my Mullen. But yeah, I did share it. But I didn't make any money from it, though. Virgin Orbit is up. Virgin Galactic is also up. Well, it's flat now, but we're up today. Tesla, flat after hours. All right. Announces today that the company will be joining the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes on June 27th after the market opens on June 27th. That's new news. I haven't seen that. Is that in Discord? I will go and research that after the show then. Thank you very much indeed for that, Peru. I've also got to get that hand cash? Was it called hand cash? App sorted out. Arrival is down 1.74 after hours. Arrival's down after hours, folks. If you want to get a cheaper price right now, Arrival's on sale. Down nearly 2% now today. There we go. Opportunity to get Arrival cheaper right now. But a lot of these stocks, I'm going to wait until they go considerably cheaper. just to make sure that we are getting the bottoms. I want to ask a question as well, a little poll here. It's not really a poll, just to get a sentiment. What does everybody feel about what's going to happen now in Ukraine? Vladimir Putin has said if Ukraine receive the long-range missiles, which is what the president of the US has said he's going to send, Joe Biden, the long-range missiles, then it's World War III, essentially. What does everybody feel about that? Do you think it's a threat? Do you think he will? Do you think the US will send the missiles? What do you think? SoFi trying to push up. Putin will soon remember he's a small fish in a big pond. I believe he's not getting the support as much as he thought he would from China, which is good news. IonQ is down after hours. PayPal is down after hours. Those systems are already on the way. Okay. That's from Paul B. Our man in the field. He's on the train right now, driving across Europe with all these bombs. We will definitely be sending the equipment regardless. UK sending them too. So what do you think? What do we think? When they receive them? I mean, think about it for a minute. We've already seen that Ukraine will fire into Russia, which only seems fair, to be fair. It's like, okay, you know, we'll just defend and we won't fire back. We'll fire at you, but we won't fire into Russia. Well, of course they should. Russia are sending in tanks and weapons and missiles. It makes perfect sense. If I was defending the country, I would want to go after the source. Makes perfect sense. I mean, why wouldn't you? Okay, we won't fire back at you. We'll only fire at you when you're here. Well, I mean, it makes sense that they do, right? But Putin's threatening, you know, if we send long-range missiles, you know, as long as we don't fire them long-range. I mean, it's obvious. It's obvious at some point that Ukraine are going to either make a mistake or a bomb goes a little bit further. And then what happens? Are we at World War III then? What does everybody think? He's bluffing, and it will not have. And if not, he'll have to rely on China. If they don't want to get involved, then he's in trouble. But the trouble is, though, if he fires all his nukes, then what happens? Doesn't need China, does he? I think Putin is just a fish out of water trying to get back into a world economy. Nice one, Carlos. They won't fire into Russia, but what will happen, Russian forces in the south will get hit hard. Well, let's hope so, eh? Who's tired of it? Who wants it all over? Who wants it all finished? I do, don't you? Tilray Brands down today. It's up in the after hours. Down 7.26% right now. Ginkgo Bioworks. Down today, but after hours up a little bit. 31% now. I can't believe I've only got 10 shares of it. Done so well. Open Door down 0.28. Enphase Energy up again today, 5%. Every day it's the same thing. Ethereum is down 1.65. Bitcoin, right. Let's do Day Trader of the Day, people. Day Trader of the Day. Go to your screens and find your portfolio and see where you are. Here we go. I'm up 0.64. It's a green day. You know what that means? You know what that means? It means this. It means it's a green day. That's what it means. And you know how I know that? I looked into my crystal ball this morning and I saw it. I knew it was going to be a green day. Texas launched an investigation into Twitter misleading bot numbers. Oh dear, oh dear. I agree with that. I do a post that I do everything right. Everything right. Use the tags. Honest, real, genuine. I find some really good news. Gets no views. And none whatsoever. It all seems a bit of a scam, Twitter. That's what I've been saying from the beginning. Stop buggering around on Twitter and buy back your shares of Tesla. If he fires all his nukes, I have a feeling my Mullen shares will go down. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. I like that. I like that. Fusion just said, if he fires all his nukes, I have a feeling my Mullen shares will go down. No, I reckon they'll go up. Everyone's shares will go through the roof because everybody will go, do you know what? The end of the world's coming. Buy in everything. Let's make the shares go $1 million. Every share's $1 million and never sell it. And then we can all die gazillionaires. Who cares? Right, all right. Okay, day trader of the day. Here we go. Up 0.6262%. Let's see. There you go. Nukes coming. Mullen pump. Let's go. Yeah, Putin is making so much more money on oil than ever before. I'm guessing he don't want to end the war anytime soon anyway. They're probably right. Ah, it's all a joke, isn't it? Life's a joke. Life's... What is it? I can't say that swearing. I was thinking always look on the bright side of life, but I can't say it. Am I allowed to swear on YouTube? I don't know if I am. Probably not risk it. All right, here we go. So here we go. 1 minute from now, let's get the scores on the door. That fooled you, didn't it? I'm up 0.22. I'm still in the lead. I'm still the king. Anyone beat me? Up 0.62. Chicky 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 ba ba chicky 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 Thor's Guggenheim just barcoding. Jason Stolfer, no ideas, but I'm up. How can you say you're up but you no idea? Chicky 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 ba ba chicky. All right, let's ring the bell. Right. Boom, chicky, chicky, boom, boom, boom. I'm up 56. Oh, what? I am using 5x margin, though, so I guess you can call it 11.2. It doesn't say percent. It doesn't say... What sort of brokerage have you got? The man from Del Monte, he's got some sort of, like, he's got some sort of Lego brokerage. Jason Stolfer is investing in Lego. He's got a Lego. It's like doesn't tell you percentage. What sort of brokerage is that? So 11% then 11.2. Queen of Self Braining is up 1.83, down 0.72. I made about $250. Super Jensen up 56%, up 56%. Is he on drugs? No, he's done it from. What do you call it? Trading Virgin Galactic over and over again. Makes perfect sense. I can see how that could be done. Trade zero account. It just says how much money I made. Really? That's bad, isn't it? I'd write in. Look, this is how he's made his money. And it makes perfect sense. That you could if you keep if you buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here, buy it. I mean, that is, if you got all in every time, and he's got about 4,000 shares. If you buy 4,000 shares, sell 4,000 shares, buy 4,000 shares, sell 4,000 shares, buy 4,000 shares, sell 4,000 shares, buy 4,000 shares, sell 4,000 shares. Get the idea? You can definitely make that sort of money. No question about it. Let's have a look. Super Jansen, are you over there? Are you over on, you look like you're on Twitch. Twitch. Are you over on, yes, Super Jansen. Right, Super Jansen, could you do us a favour? A huge favour. Can you click the follow button? We're actually on YouTube. That's where we are. Do you want to come meet the family? I'm on Twitch because I'm trying to get to 50 followers just for a bit of a laugh, for a bit of fun. All right? This is where we are right now on YouTube. This is where our traders are and all the real people. And the other day we do cash giveaways all the time. The other day, someone on YouTube, Twitch, was watching us. He came in and he won a Bitcoin. We gave away a whole BSV worth $50. Yep, we gave it away for free. There is my day trader link. There is the show where we are right now. Come on over. Come on over to my place. Hey, you! We having a party. Is it having a wimpy in it? Do you remember the advert? Hey, you, we're having a wimpy. Is it wimpy? I don't know. Anyway, let's see if he comes over, and let's see if he becomes my 40th follower. I got 39. I need 11 more. 11 more followers, and I've done it. I'm famous on Twitch. Now up to 6,000 shares with all the profits. There it is. That's it. That's exactly how you do it. Rob Brennan, you are my hero. You're my hero. That's how you do it. Can I be somebody's hero, please? Because I've just I'm up $21 on Virgin Orbit. I want to be someone's hero as well. Looks like Super Jensen has not decided to follow me yet. Let me add you on Twitch. Oh, about time. About time. Jason Stolfer. I keep saying about it. No one ever pays any attention. Here is my Twitter. Do not abandon YouTube for Twitch. YouTube is far better. Better for you, better for me, better for everyone. But it's a great way to grow YouTube if I get more followers on TikTok, more followers on Twitch, more followers on LinkedIn, Twitter, blah-de-blah-de-blah. All right? There is my Twitch account. I've got 39 followers. There you go. I've posted it 3 times in the chat. Right. And here is the Discord link for those of you that follow us on Discord, which is the purpose of Discord, by the way, is so we can chat after the show, talk to each other, and get all the good stuff, get all the information from Peru and Muzanella and all the star traders. 40 now. I only see 39. I only see 39. Let me have a look. Shall I refresh it? I only see 39. Are you sure you followed the right person? Oh, there it is. 40. 10 to go. Get in. It's all about how many people who can follow you. It's what life's all about. It's not how much food you got. It's not about if anyone loves you. It's not about whether you got a home or a job or your health. No. You are judged in life by if you have 50 followers on Twitch. You're not a real man. When I was 18, I became a real man when I bought my first drill. I walked into Homebase. I even told the person in Homebase, I said, I'm 18 today. He said, happy birthday. I said, I'm about to become a real man. He went, are you? I said, I'm about to buy my very first own power drill. Should I buy a Makita or a Bosch? Which one will make me most a man? And he said, definitely a Makita. Bosch is good. Bosch is good, but if you want to be a professional, you not only want to be a real man, you want to be a professional real man, you need a Makita. So I bought my very first drill, a power drill, a hammer drill, not just any old drill, a hammer drill with a chuckless key. It was chuckless. And remember the old chucks? You put it in. This was chuckless. You did it with a handle like that. And I got my and I did. I walked out and thought, right, I'm a man now. I've got my own house. I was renting at the time. I didn't actually own the house. I was only 18. I was renting, and I had a drill. I could drill holes in the walls. So I went home and just drilled a hole. I decided to put a hole in the wall, and I decided my first hole that I would drill would be for no reason whatsoever. Just because I could do it. Because up to that moment, I'd be like scratching with the screwdriver. But this moment, I could go, right, you bugger. Like that. And I drilled a hole. And once I drilled it, I filled it with plaster. And I painted it over, and you'd never know it was there. There you go. That is a real man, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that is what a real man is. A man who can do that. Go out with his own money, buy a drill, put a hole in the wall for no reason other than he wants to, and then fill it up with cement, plaster, and then paint it over like it was never there. That is when you know that you're a real man. All right? All followed up with a peanut butter sandwich. Did anyone watch the 190th? Yes, I did. Any idea what he was doing? No, none whatsoever. I watched it and couldn't understand it. He was obviously doing option trading because he was making money when it was going down. He kept buying more shares when it went down. I think all he was doing was buying contracts. He must have been just buying contracts and shorting the stock. That's all he was doing. And he kept shorting and shorting and shorting. It had to be. Because you can't make money if you just keep... If the stock keeps going down. He must have been buying shorts. I'm 25 with 2 kids. And I don't own a power drill. Maybe I'll buy one this year to become a man. There you go, Rob. You're not a man yet. You're not a man yet. I'm 25 with 2 kids. I'm not a man. No, you're not a man. You're just a man in rehearsals. And you have to buy it from Coinbase as well. Don't buy it from B&Q. You got to buy it from Coinbase. It's like a thing. Then he would get more margin as his account. That's right. That's right. And as he made more money, he got more margin and he spent more. Yeah, it was pretty crazy, really. And he didn't even know how to explain it. He didn't really know what he was doing. You could tell. He was like, well, I just did it. When the other guy, the trader, the actual guy who knew about stuff, a bit like market profit, he knew about charts. He was going this, that, and the other. And he went, well, I don't know. There was a couple of green... Remember the green dots? He went, there's some green dots. And I just followed the green dots. That's me, that is. That's me. Brilliant. He would then take the margin and keep it growing, it seemed. Yeah. I wouldn't recommend it as a financial way to make money. He had no idea what he was doing, to be fair. But he did it and it worked, and good luck to him. That's what I say. What I thought was funny is the next day he did it for his mum, and he lost $1,000. He said, I'll do it again tomorrow, and it didn't work. It didn't work the next day, and his mum was upset. She lost $200. She lost £200. Oh, brilliant. That was funny. The next day he lost money. Yeah. Tesla down after hours. Right. Any more statements on the drill situation? Or can we get done? Finished. Time to go to bed. Time to go to sleep. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Oh, just gained another. Oh, someone asked me about my subscriber count. Who asked me about that earlier? There we go. 3,287. Edging up all the time. I also have a chuckless drill. There you go. My dad used to have like a bit of string with a chuck on it, and it was tied around the handle. It would swing about. And someone thought, hang on, I don't know why we do this. We need a chuckless little ratchet at the front. Time for a group nap. Guys, let's go. Time for a group nap. Let's go. Everyone going to sleep. Right, okay, everyone going to sleep. Good night. Okay, I'm going to end the show. I'm going to end the show right now because I think that's it. We're done. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's time to wrap it up. All right. So we've got some new shares today. Yeah, we got into Virgin Orbit, and I am up. I've made money. I could sell it, put the money back, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it right there. Time for a group nap. I absolutely agree. I think it's time to end the show. Did we get a winner for our day trader of the day? We did, didn't we? We did that, didn't we? Anyway, time to go. I'll see you all back in the morning when we'll do it all over again. Just 20 days, 15 hours, 51 minutes and 1 second to go before our 1 year anniversary. The day, the time to the second I did my first video. And the only person was watching it was me. It was very entertaining. It was very, very good. how things have changed. That's it. I'm off. Thank you very much over there on TikTok. Thank you very much over there on Twitch. 40 followers. Oh, 4 viewers. Hey, we got the average of 3 today. Great. We got the average of 3. We need an average of 3. Fantastic. That is awesome. Thank you very much indeed for the followers today on Twitch. Awesome. 40 followers. Great. Just 10 to go. And that's good. Thank you ever so much, everybody on Facebook. Thanks to LinkedIn. Thanks to you all. But that's it. The day Boris Johnson remains in power, the day after the Queen was Queen for 70 years, this was the day that was. Who's that? Remember that? That's it from me. Until tomorrow, take care of yourselves and each other.